we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who purchased the 3 Kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate, much love. And then also those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, and they did exactly what we thought they were going to do. As Jerome Powell is speaking, saying he's not going to take that foot off the gas just yet, stocks and cryptos go up. So guys, over the next 3 months, we're definitely going to get a narrative so that people are looking at the distraction, not that the Fed is pulling the rug. They're going to dump all of this, guys. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you, I give you the truth, nothing but the truth. Yes, the truth hurts, but what does it do? That's right, it sets you free. So guys, we have the C word, we have hacking, Taliban, we have the debt ceiling, we have climate change, and the debt ceiling, guys, is right around the corner. So we're going to see whether they try to leverage this. We know next year this whole thing is coming down. We know we're going to be moving down. We know towards the end of this year, they're going to start pulling back. Take a screenshot of 2021, because you will never, and I mean never ever, see this many stocks on the stock market and this many cryptos. The whole legacy market is going to be destroyed over the next 4 to 5 years. And then, of course, guys, we have over 12,000 cryptos. They're going to be destroyed. We know only 1% is going to survive, and we know who picks the winners and losers. That's right, the New World Order, the Federal Reserve. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice, but please do your own research. I told you, don't be scared of the dip. We have a small window where we could make money, and hopefully you made money. Now, guys, don't forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have tether, and we have USDC. Plus, we have the Fed still pumping that over $1 trillion inside the system to manipulate the actual yields. We know they're going to pull back fourth quarter. That is a fact. And they already admitted by the middle of next year they would have stopped. Completely stopped, guys. I just want to make sure you understand that. No more manipulation. But we know running right behind that is cryptocurrencies. We know the digital yuan is going to be live. So they're going to destroy this whole thing. It's going to be orchestrated, guys. Get your friends and family educated, because this is going to be the greatest event in history. Now, don't forget to pay attention to the actual grayscale, guys. As we can see, they keep dumping. Now we have about 37.9. So make sure you're keeping an eye on the grayscale. Well, we have CME, we have Bitcoin futures, micro futures, Ethereum futures, plus we have billions of dollars of options. So guys, it's definitely going to be a roller coaster ride over these next few days. Now getting over into a little crypto news, guys. We have Circle taps Plaid for ACH payments, and we know Plaid makes it seamless in order to connect to your bank account. When the dollar loses its value, that's the reason why they called it stablecoin. They called it for a reason, guys. We have to remember all the terminology we use, they use it for a reason. So now people are going to be happy. If you see the dollar is going to be worth 50, 60 cents, and now I'm telling you, move over to USDC and it's going to be stable at $1. What do you think what do you think the masses are going to do? It only makes sense. That's the reason why stable coins are the foundation, because they're nothing but a resemblance of the cash that we're using now. Now we have BoBa Network launches as Ethereum newest layer 2 solution. And don't forget, OMG holders, you'll get that token drop next month. Not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research, but follow the money. Now we have UAE regulators approve crypto trading in Dubai Free Zone. And remember, guys, the crypto digital economy is global. This is no longer about the United States or China, anybody. This is a global digital economy where eventually you will become a robot, an avatar if you are not awakened. The sleep are going to fall for this. Remember, there's only a few that are chosen. Crypto means hidden message, hidden agenda. These cryptos are not for us. They're for the robots, the algorithms, the drones, and the fourth industrial revolution. Now we have eToro commits to $1 million to good dollar. And guys, remember I did several videos when I first started my channel about this universal basic income project. Now guys, we know it takes 365 days in order to form a habit. These people do not want to go to these low-paying jobs after sitting home getting free money. The government understands that. The New World understands that. So the fact is, they're going to be airdropping free money. But the people don't understand what's attached to it. The sheep are going to be happy to get this money, but not knowing it's going to be programmed. They're going to tell you what, when, and where to buy it. And what did David from R3 state? If you want to boost the economy, airdrop the free money. They have 3 to 6 months to spend it, or poof, it's gone. We also have eToro offers DeFi diversification with new portfolio with 11 DeFi assets. And guys, what did Brian Brooks state? DeFi is the new banking, and he wasn't lying. Now we have Soleil. Biden taps anti-crypto and anti-big bank law professor to run the OCC. And I think she was at Cornell and the University of Carolina. But guys, we know the United States is on the back burner for a reason. We created all the technology for the fourth industrial revolution, plus we have funded it. So she's not going to make any decision that the New World Order doesn't want to be made. Now we have Ripple is helping Bhutan pilot a CBDC. And lastly, guys, we have almost half of crypto owners turn to celebs like Kim Kardashian for crypto advice. And what are they called? That's right, the sheep. The sheep follow the idol. The New World Order creates the puppets, put them on a world stage because they know the masses are going to follow. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get that home stocks is C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home, wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.